Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make teams in Roblox. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to your Roblox, open it up, and then you can choose a template. We'll be using base plate, and after opening it up, you can have your base plate right here, and we can add another spawn right here. So you'll need to go over to where you have your creator store, click on the tab, and then you have your neutral spawn. Click on it and drag it over to the board. So next thing we're going to do is to go over to the Explorer on the right side. And if you're not seeing Explorer or Properties, you can go over to View, click on it, and make sure you have Explorer and Properties clicked on already. If you don't have it, you can click on them and you'll see them. Then right here under Explorer, you're going to go over to where you have Teams. Click on the plus icon there to add a team. And then you can see team there, click on it, and we have a team. On your keyboard, you can press Ctrl D to have a duplicate. So the next thing we're going to do is to change the name of these teams. So we're going to have the first team as Red Cats. Click on it, press on F2 on your keyboard to be able to rename the word. So we have Red Cats, click on Enter, and do the same for the second team, which is Blue. We're going to change it to Blue Cats. Then for each of these, you're going to click on data to make sure you're seeing the option to change the team color. So you can see Blue Cats here. We're going to click on team color, choose on blue. So we have deep blue. And then for the Red Cats, we can click on it to change it to red. So we have really red there. Then next, you're going to go up to where you have spawn location, click on it. And you can see it's highlighted the first one here, which is what we added. And we have it here. We're going to make it blue. So we're going to go over to appearance, click on it. And you can see brick color, change it to blue. So we have deep blue. And then from the spawn color for the second one, we can change it to red. So now we have the first spawn location as blue here, although we've not changed it here. But first we're going to go over to where we have teams. And after clicking on teams, we're going to change some of the settings right here. Here you have allow teams to change. We're going to click on this box, and neutral, we're going to uncheck it. And then the team color. Remember, we have a spawn location here, and when we click on it, you can see the color it's selected. So we have blue selected here. So we're going to go over to the team color to select it to blue. So we selected the color palette, and it's now blue. For the second one, we're going to have the same settings, but according to its kind. So we have red here. We're going to click on allow and neutral on check, and then change this to really red, as you can see. So since this is really red, we're going to change the name by coming over to spawn location. And then we're ready to change it. We're going to give it Red Cats Spawn, right? You want to have it as camel case right there. So you have a Red Cat Spawn, and as you can see, this is Blue Cat Spawn. Awesome. Enter to save it. And after you've followed all of this instructions, you can go over to play, click on it. And here you can see Red Cats and Blue Cats, and you can see the username, and it's currently on the Red Cats. And that's why it's on the Red Cats. So let's go over to Blue Cats because we allowed it to change teams, right? So now we've changed teams, and you can see it's currently under Blue Cats. If we move over to Red Cats once again, it's changed back to Red Cats. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.